हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा मैथ साहब डिस्कसिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and question number 8 of exercise 7.2 of chapter 7 coordinate geometry of class 10th NCERT mathematics. For question number 7 we need a midpoint formula. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 के लिए हमें मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So we have to discuss first the midpoint formula. In midpoint formula, A and B, AB is a line segment and coordinates of A and coordinates of B are given, and M is the midpoint of line segment AB. Then x coordinate of point M will be x1 plus x2 by 2, and y coordinates of the midpoint M will be y1 plus y2 by 2. AB एक लाइन सेगमेंट है. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं x1 y1, B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं x2 y2, और M AB का मिड पॉइंट है. तो M के जो कि मिड पॉइंट है उसके x कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे x1 plus x2 by 2, means sum of x coordinate by 2 means x1 plus x2, दोनों को ऐड करिए और उसका हाफ करिए means डिवाइड by 2, और इसका जो y कोऑर्डिनेट्स होता है m का वो होगा y1 plus y2 by 2. This is y1, this is y2 and divide by 2, or you can say the y coordinate of midpoint M will be sum of y coordinates by 2, means y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. And now question number 7 is on your screen. We read the question carefully. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3, means the coordinates of the center of the circle is given 2, minus 3, and the coordinates of point B is 1, 4. इस इंफॉर्मेशन से हम एक डायग्राम बनाएंगे. देखिए ये रहा. See here. Let this is the circle with center O. O का जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 2, minus 3 है. देखिए ये रहा. The center is 2, minus 3. So the coordinates of the center O of the circle is 2, minus 3, and AB is diameter. Right? This is A and this is B. And the coordinates of point B are given. The coordinates of point B are given, that is 1, 4, and this is also 1, 4. और हमें find out करने हैं coordinates of point A के. Students, we know that O is the midpoint here because O is, which is the center of the circle, जो O center of the circle है, diameter AB का midpoint है. So we can write then O, whose coordinates are 2, minus 3, is the midpoint of diameter AB. So using midpoint formula, using midpoint formula, this x coordinate of, this is A, its coordinates are x, y. This is B, coordinates are 1, 4, and this is A, coordinates of 2, minus 3. So x coordinate of will be x1 means x plus 1 by 2, means see here, ये O midpoint है, तो ये जो x coordinate होगा that is x plus 1 divided by 2, or you can say 4 is equal to x plus 1, so x is 3, and y coordinate will be, see here, the minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2 using the midpoint formula, that is y, that is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2, So -6 is equal to y plus 4. So y is equal to -6 minus 4. So y is equal to -10. So the coordinate of this point A will be 3, -10. And this is the answer of the question. यही पूछा था क्वेश्चन में कि find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे इसमें हमें मिड पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रखे हैं. O is the midpoint. So using the same formula, that formula, if it is x1, y1, b is x2, y2, and the coordinates of midpoints are given by x1 plus x2 by 2, and y coordinates that is y1 plus y2 by 2. Or you can say the sum of x coordinate by 2 for this point. Here, this point is 2. So this 2 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. On calculating, x is equal to 3. -3 is equal to y plus 4 divided by 3. -3 is equal to y plus 4 divided by 2 divided by 2. So y is equal to -3. So therefore, the coordinate of point A are 3, -10, and this is the answer of this question. And now next question, number 8, that is also on your screen. If A and B are -2, -2, means there are 2 points. One point is A, other point is B, and the coordinates of point A are -2, -2, and the coordinates of point B are 2, -4. Then find the coordinates of point P such that AP is equal to 3/7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. It is given, ये दे रखा है कि 2 पॉइंट है A और B. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है -2, -2. B पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं 2, -4. और ये P पॉइंट कोई लाइन सेगमेंट AB पे लाई करता है इस तरह से कि AP और AB का रेशियो 3:7 है. राइट. तो हमें P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. देखिएगा, अब इस इंफॉर्मेशन से हम एक डायग्राम बनाते हैं. देखिए, सी हियर इट इज गिवन the coordinates of point A, that is -2, -2. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स -2, -2 हैं. B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स 2, -4 है. ये देखिए, और P पॉइंट है. P पॉइंट ऐसा है कि AP अपॉन AB दैट इज 3/7. हमें इंटरनल जो डिवीजन रेशियो चाहिए. तो देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट, सी हियर, AP upon AB is given 3/7. See here, AP upon AB is 3/7, लेकिन हमें चाहिए AP upon PB. राइट. तो हमें ये AB को PB में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें? So taking reciprocal, दोनों तरफ इनका रेसिप्रोकल लीजिए. AB upon AP is 7/3. This AB can be written as AP plus BP upon AP. So see, AB, A to B, that is AP plus BP, that is equal to 7/3. Further, AP upon AP plus BP upon AP, that is 7/3. Further, AP upon AP is 1 plus BP upon AP, that is 7/3. Further, BP upon AP is equal to 7/3 minus 1. Further, Further, BP upon AP, taking 3 LCM, 7 minus 3, that is 4 by 3. Now taking the reciprocal, so AP upon BP, that is 3 by 4. अब हमें AP upon BP चाहिए था, तो इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल लिया और इसका भी हमने रेसिप्रोकल लिया. So that is AP upon BP, that is 3 by 4, or we can say that point P, whose coordinates are x, y, divides AB in the ratio, internally in the ratio 3:4, or we can say m:n, that is 3:4. Yes. अब देखिए using section formula. Now using section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. X coordinate, we know m is 3. If m is 3, then n is 4. So we can write 3 plus 4, that is 3 plus 4. Now what is x2? This is x2 and this is x1. Sorry, y2. This is x1 and y1. So into what is x2? x2 is 2 and x1 is minus 2. On simplification, we can simplify. We can simplify here. See here. So that is 3 2s are 6 plus minus 8 by 7. It means minus 2 by 7. So x coordinate of this point P is minus 2 by 7. And now y coordinates. For y coordinates, y is equal to what is m? M is 3, 4, 3 plus 4. What is y2? Y2 is minus 4 and y1 is minus 2. M is 3, n is 4. So that is minus 4 and that is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 12 minus 8 upon 7. That is minus 220 by 7. So we can say that the value of x, that is minus 2 by 7, and the value of y, that is minus 22 by 20 by 7. So the coordinates of the point P, which is on the line AB, and it is given AP upon AB, that is 3 by 7. The coordinates of this point will be minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. So this is the answer of this question. Hence, the coordinate of P are, the coordinates of the point P are minus 2 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. That's all for this question. Thank you very much. Thank you.